In this video, I will show you how to book Airbnb for beginners. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Airbnb.com website and make sure that you are logged in with an account and that this account is verified. And after it's verified, you can basically go to the Airbnb.com home screen, and here you can start browsing to destinations where you want to go, or when you already know where to go, just go ahead and enter your destination in here, select the check-in date, the checkout date, and amount of guests that you are traveling with. So let's go ahead and enter something. Let's say we want to go to Dubai, and let's say we're going to check in these dates and that we're traveling with 2 adults. So after you've entered that, go ahead and click on search. And right now you will browse all the properties that are available. And let's say we like this one. Then we can already see that it has a good rating, and this 91 at the end is indicating the amounts of reviews that it has. And we also see the location in Dubai where it is, so it is a pretty good location as well. So I'm okay with this one, so I'm going to click on it. Right now we're going to scroll down, and here we can read the details about this listing. So this is prompted by the host of this property, so please be sure that you read through this, because this can be really important in order to streamline the check-in process and stuff like that. And there can be things like house rules. So go ahead and read through this. And after that, you can see where you will be sleeping. You will see what this place is offering, basically all the amenities. You can click on show all, and this is everything that is inside of this property. You can see which dates are taken by other bookers. You can see the reviews down below. It also has some scores, the location again, and almost all the way down you can see some more information about the host. And in this case, this person is a super host, and this means that super hosts are experienced and highly rated hosts who are committed to providing great stays for guests, as you can see. And this is also nice to look into before you are booking. So if everything is okay, then you can finalize the check-in dates and with how many guests you are staying. And here you will see what you will be paying. So you see that it is 60 euros per night and that you will pay 6 euro in taxes. And when you click on taxes, you will see what it is. So if everything is okay, you can click on reserve and you can select to pay it now, or you pay a part right now, or you can pay over time. And you can go ahead and select your preferred payment method. So go ahead and select the one that you like. And after that, you can also add a phone number to get trip updates as well. So again, please make sure to follow the house rules and to read through everything that the host is mentioning. And if you are ready, then you can go ahead and click on confirm and pay. And if everything is okay, you can go ahead and click on confirm and pay. And then you will be redirected to your preferred payment method. Then you will need to enter your payment information, of course. And after that, your booking will be finalized. And then you will receive a confirmation through your email, and your booking will be inside of the Airbnb app. So you will also automatically start a conversation with your host. So that will be this person in this case. And then you can communicate stuff like the arrival time to streamline the check-in process. So that is basically how you book Airbnb for beginners. It is really easy. It is really straightforward. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.